We're actually expecting from Sandy is widespread power outages that could in some cases last for days.
Yeah, and the biggest concern, of course, is across the Mid-Atlantic into the Northeast. And joining us now live on the phone is Karen Johnson. She is the Director of Communications from PSE&G, which is New Jersey's largest power company. So Karen, thank you so much for joining us. My name's Danielle. How are you guys preparing?
Well, we are probably as prepared as we can be going into the storm. We've made sure that we have not only our own skilled workforce available, but we've contracted with more than 1,000 linemen from other states, other utilities to come help us if necessary. We're also making sure that all of our vehicles are fully fueled, as well as making sure that we have additional equipment such as poles and transformers on hand to make any repairs.
And Karen, I'm curious if it was difficult to secure enough line crews considering how large of a storm this is. I'm assuming that these organizations are receiving calls from the entire East Coast.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's true. We did have to go, much farther west to secure tree crews as well as line crews.
So at this point, can you give us a number of how many crews you have available?
I don't have a precise number at this point. I mean, we have reached out and requested probably about 1,300 linemen, and we're still making those final preparations for when they should arrive.
And curious if there's anything that folks just at home can do to make your job easier once the damage is done, and of course as those crews get out there to start the work of restoring power.
Mm-hmm. Well, the most important thing is safety. Okay, first keep your family safe. Don't use candles to light your house. Make sure that you've got flashlights with fresh batteries. Also, if you do come in contact with any downed wires, please stay away, alert us so that we can make sure that we get those lines taken care of as quickly and safely as we can.
All right, well, Karen Johnson, thank you so much, Director of Communications for the Public Service and Energy Group. Now, many of you, of course, have been heading to the stores to stock up, as she and we, of course, have been suggesting. And the shelves, of course, you hope they have everything that you need to keep you safe during a storm like Sandy.
And large retailers even have actually a hurricane team to keep them informed as the storm progresses. Meteorologist Julie Martin takes a look at just how important the forecast is.
When a hurricane threatens the U.S., retailers from grocery chains to big box home improvement stores have to get what you need when you need it on the shelves.
Whenever there's a system forming, our teams are always watching for potential, events, and as it progresses or matures and develops, the team will kind of galvanize around what needs to happen.
Large retailers like Home Depot are growing increasingly hurricane savvy. The company tracks forecasts internally, recruits hurricane team leaders in every region, and pre-positions supplies. Having a plan is not only peace of mind for customers, it's key to the cash flow a disaster can produce.
The worst thing that can happen for retailers is that they don't have enough product in stock.
Retail analysts say about a third of all goods and services sold in the U.S. are impacted by weather, and hurricane events in particular tend to clear the shelves early.
The reality is that what really drives demand in advance of these storms is the forecast.
It's often a forecast that can change from 1 minute to the next. And much like a chess game, retailers must carefully watch and plot every next move. I'm meteorologist Julie Martin, the Weather Channel.
All right, Julie, thanks so much. I want to talk a little bit about some of the potential impacts, especially as we get going here now. For the Northeast, you want to make sure you are prepared, especially in time for Sunday, because by Monday or even late Sunday night, we start to see some of the rain making its way in. Heavy rain, wind damage, a certainty almost at this point. Where the size of the wind field we're talking about, the size of the tropical storm force wind field across the area, widespread power outages likely there. Coastal and inland flooding certainly a concern, and the inland flooding side of things could be because of the rainfall situation. We've been talking about the system itself making its way onshore in through that Monday, Tuesday time frame. But keep in mind, it has a lot of tropical moisture associated with it. We've been talking a lot about how it's kind of combining with all the rest of this activity across the East Coast. You're talking about a 3 to 6 inch area of rainfall that's quite large, locally up to 10+ inches. So a lot to track here from all these different potential impacts. Danielle?
Well, straight ahead on Weather Center Live, we are talking to our experts. And